Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong, Connecting Our Community. I am so delighted to have James Burnette, the Senior Director of Sales from LinkedIn with me today. James, thanks for being on the episode.
Thanks so much for having me. Great to be here.
So, James, I think everybody wants me to ask you this question, and that is, has LinkedIn just totally blown up here in the last couple of months? Tell us about how the engagement has gone.
Yeah, thanks for asking. It's been an incredible few months, as you can imagine. I think Satya, the CEO of Microsoft, said it best. We've seen a couple years of digital transformation take place in just about 2 months. And as you can imagine, we're seeing pretty dramatic increases of engagement on the LinkedIn platform. So, north of 50% increase around content, kind of exploding on the platform. We're seeing a dramatic increase of the conversations that are happening. And actually, we've got about 5 million manufacturing decision makers that are on our platform today. And it's really just great to see not only folks that have always turned to LinkedIn for value to build their brand and connect with each other and build relationships, but also now all of the folks that were maybe a little bit late to these types of digital channels really starting to come into the platform and be part of the conversation. So we're really grateful that we can create that sort of value, for professionals.
Speaking of the value you guys are creating for professionals and just the thinking about how this is all going to go forward around digital selling and building trust and all the work that you guys are doing in your division, can you tell us a little bit about what advice and what work you're doing with customers to get them ready for the next gen?
Yeah, for many customers that are new to digital selling, it's definitely a behavior shift and really understanding how to, one, access all of these signals that exist through a platform like LinkedIn, whether it's to go find new customers or expand your relationships into other parts of an organization that you may be working with. But we really help customers learn how to be relevant and how to do it in a way that you can really build trust and shorten the distance between yourself and the customers that you're looking to engage with. Nobody likes to be on the receiving end of automated emails and feeling like they're just part of a mass communication that's gone out. So we work really closely with customers to understand how to get the most out of the platform to show up in a way that is relevant and timely, and at the end of the day can create some value in the connections that we're making and the relationships that people are looking to build on the platform.
Final question for you, James. Just anything on a bit of a lighter side through all this?
Well, my family finds it quite funny that I put on my shoes every morning at 7 when I come down to the home office, and they don't really understand why, but it helps me with my morning routine, and I kind of get a kick. They get a chuckle out of that.
That's awesome. Okay, I won't make you put your camera on your shoes and your feet just to prove it, but James, thank you so much for being on the episode.
Thanks so much for having me. Appreciate it.